Surviving winter's wrath means knowing where to look for food. Open water is a great place to start. This bobcat is hunting water birds. A crafty ambush predator. Silent, patient. And always on the prowl. Her latest kill is a huge trumpeter swan. She must defend it against her mortal enemy, the coyote. A feather is all he can get. Score 1 for the cats. The coyote needs a softer target, one that he can steal from. Or better yet, kill. While some suffer Yellowstone's early winter, river otters are in their element. But the fun is coming to an end for this mother and her 9-month-old pup. Their home on the Yellowstone River is freezing up. But it's not frozen yet. So they'll feed here while they can.